Hi guys, welcome back to the Lit Kids Talk Show. Today we're going to talk about the 45th President of the United States and also the laughing stock of the world. Today we're talking about Donald Trump.
So, do you know he went to military school in his teens? Bad behavior. You guys know that?
No, but it's not a surprise.
Actually, this is how it reflects. Look at America.
Wait 1 second, but if he went to military school, wouldn't that give him more discipline?
I don't think so.
Well, I think he was a businessman before he became president.
Yeah.
So he should be pretty good at business.
He's actually pretty old. Well, he's older than he looks.
Yeah.
He had complimented him by.
So then he's quite lucky. I mean, not many people look younger than they are.
Yeah, and I think he will need a compliment right now because he's acting
Yeah.
very depressed. I find his talking very funny. He goes like that.
I know he talks like with his lips outside. It's weird.
He makes so many mistakes while talking.
Yeah.
And then he's like,
So there was this one time where apparently he was tweeting on Twitter or something, and he just came back, I think, from visiting the Prince of Wales, and then he spelled Wales the wrong way, as in the fish. So that's sad.
The president needs a spelling test.
Sometimes I do feel bad for him because he's all over the media and everybody is making fun of him. So it's just sad sometimes.
It's all his fault, dude. When you have an opportunity to change a whole nation, and then what you do with it,
And they also make memes of him.
he's more like a comedian.
Yeah, like everyone laughs at him. Yeah.
but there's a difference. Like comedians make people laugh and they laugh with the people.
Yeah.
He's just straight laughed at.
Yeah, like he doesn't try to be funny, but he is funny.
Yeah.
I read it somewhere that he got the worst supporting actor award for this movie called Ghost Can't Be or something like that.
I don't know if you've seen it, but there's this really popular meme where Trump is like, "Hey Siri, how many miles did I ran today?" And Siri's like, "Okay, launching missiles to Iran today."
So what do you guys think? Like if you guys would be offered, you would stay in America and have Trump, or you would stay in India and have Modi?
Yeah, that's a really good perspective. He's good at business. He would raise the economy and stuff.
Wait,
But
is there a choice where I can have half of Trump and half of Modi? Is that
yeah, that's a good idea.
a mix?
No.
Totally.
No.
Yeah, that's actually not true. Modi himself is good enough.
See, America is great in that way, but India has this
Heritage.
different kind of culture.
Yeah, a lot of culture.
We don't
Yeah.
have a culture like us.
And the food's good. I know. That's a really random fact.
I would still go to US to study, but what about you?
No, I wouldn't go to US.
Dude.
I would actually, for exposure, I think I would just travel the world and go to countries, poorer countries, so that I can actually see what life there is like. Would you want to work here or would you want to work in America?
In America, because the pay is more. But
Actually,
then you just feel rich when you come back to India.
I'd rather live in Europe, work in Europe. It's a very artistic place.
Not exactly. Yeah, but US also has its advantages.
Okay, guys. So I think Trump might get better in the future. So
Our hopes are high.
yeah.
Yeah.
Please tell us if you liked the video, and please subscribe and comment and tell us who you prefer more. And see you in the next one.